another product that I do use before I eat anything is pure gold concentrate. This actually comes from a company called Freemart. There's so much gold in there. Look how dark that is. I can put like 5 drops in a glass of water maybe once or twice a week. So the theory is gold increases electrical conductivity of the cells. So while these things are zapping information around in your brain and your cellular activity, this allows that to be optimized. And of course, gold has been depleted from the soil, just like the organic sulfur. So these are natural things that we should have in our life that have been eliminated or reduced significantly. Actually, I got one more thing I want to bring out because this is extremely important. Be right back. All right, I'm back. This is potassium iodide. It's SSKI, supersaturated potassium iodide, that I just got off of the internet. And I usually start the day with this as well. As soon as I open that refrigerator, I take some of this. Now, this is the pure stuff. I never just take this straight. So what I do is I take a mason jar and I put, during the summer, 4 drops of this in a full container of water, 4 drops. During the winter, when people are getting the flu or going into what they call flu season, I put 6 drops in here. And then I just let it sit for about 10 minutes. And I keep this in the refrigerator and I sip on it once a day for about the course of a week. There was one morning I woke up like 2:30 in the morning. I thought I was getting a flu. I'd met with a guy who had it, sneezing all over the place in a business meeting. I felt that coming on within minutes. At that time I was experimenting. I only had 3 drops of this potassium iodide in the water at the time. And I got up and I drank half the jar. Went back to bed. Felt my whole body relaxing in about 10 minutes, 20 minutes, gone. Wake up the next day like nothing ever happened. This happened a second time, just very slightly felt like I was getting something. Of course, at this point in time, I'm determining the optimal value for me. I can't say what would work for anybody else. I'm just giving you actually criteria to research for yourself. Actually, these things work for me. That's all that I can say. Somebody did give me a report on the internet. It was like a book of pretty much 1,000 pages on the effects of supersaturated potassium iodine or iodine supplement. This stuff's colorless, tasteless. You wouldn't even know what's in here at all. At least I can't taste it at all. I would really wonder if anybody that did this ever would have a cold or a flu. Seriously. I would think it's like the perfect remedy. There are like, what, I've read 4 million viruses, 4 million different variants and problems with that. It's kind of insane, really, when you think about it, how something like this can just eradicate a broad spectrum of fungus, bacteria, viruses. It just wipes them out. And you can look that up on Wikipedia. I'm just here to give you search criteria. As far as I'm concerned, this is step 1 for supporting good health in that manner.